What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another Jamaican Come Dine with Me YouTube special. This time we've got some other awesome YouTubers that we're collabing with, and it's going to be really an international affair. We've got one in France, one in Birmingham where we are, and one all the way in Florida joining with us, but all awesome Jamaican YouTubers. This one is going to be special. Here's why. We're doing the dessert or pudding this time, and it's a special dedication to our grandma who would have celebrated her birthday on the 1st of December. She used to sell some of these fruits that we're going to be using. Now, for the familiar faces show off, we're going to be doing a fruity dessert, or what you call pudding. Some people might call pudding. That's our um, dish that we're creating this week. It's going to be epic, it's going to be special, it's definitely going to be delicious. However, we're going to need some long spoons, and here comes Amazon to the rescue. Because for our subscribers to get to the bottom of this pudding or dessert, we're going to need these long spoons, and here they are. What do you think it's going to be? Here's Lisa prepping. I'm going to show you a little bit of the setup. Oh no. All right, listen up.
That was delightful. We liked the look.
Yeah.
I think they like it as
well.
And it's yummy, so we think that they're going to like it. So all we have to do now, all we have to do now is to get changed, get ready for them to come dine with us. See you there.
Okay, stop the teasing. We'll see you on the 15th of November, 6 p.m. UK time, when we'll share with you our premiere for this Come Dine With Me UK Jamaican special. Cross out UK, it's Jamaican.